Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram story longer than 15 seconds. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on this update. Once you've done that, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on Head Your Story, and you can use draft as well, but I want to record a story, so click here and click on story and start recording. So make sure that you record more than 15 seconds. So I hope it is more than 15 seconds, and then you need to paste that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.